Hey there, adventurers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Gadget World. Today, we're diving into the action-packed world of cameras with the GoPro HERO11. This compact powerhouse promises to capture your adrenaline-fueled escapades in breathtaking detail. Get ready for an in-depth review as we explore its strengths and potential limitations. Let's kick things off with design and durability. The GoPro HERO11 maintains the signature rugged design that's synonymous with the brand. With its tough exterior, this camera is built to withstand the elements, whether you're diving into deep waters, hitting the slopes, or exploring mountain trails. One of the standout features of the HERO11 is its ability to capture stunning 4K video footage. The visual quality is top-notch, and with advanced stabilization technology, your footage remains smooth even during fast-paced activities. Say goodbye to shaky shots and hello to professional-looking content. Capturing every detail of your adventure is a breeze with the HERO11's slow motion and time-lapse capabilities. Whether you're jumping off cliffs, skiing down slopes, or simply enjoying a scenic view, you can create captivating sequences that truly immerse your viewers. Dive into the action without hesitation. The HERO11 comes equipped with impressive waterproof capabilities, allowing you to take it underwater up to X meters feet. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for capturing aquatic adventures like snorkeling and surfing. Navigating the HERO11 is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface. The intuitive touchscreen and simple menu layout make it easy to switch between shooting modes, adjust settings, and review your footage on the go. Stay connected and share your excitement with friends and followers in real time. The HERO11 offers enhanced connectivity, enabling you to upload and share your content effortlessly on social media platforms, keeping your audience engaged and entertained. While the HERO11 delivers exceptional performance, the battery life might leave you wanting more. With X hours of continuous recording time, it's advisable to carry spare batteries or a portable charger for longer adventures. While the watch faces offer some variety, the customization options for personalization could be more extensive. Having more options to unlock the camera's full potential, you might find yourself investing in various accessories, such as mounts, cases, and extra batteries. While these accessories enhance your shooting experience, they can add to the overall cost. To sum it up, the GoPro HERO11 is a reliable companion for thrill seekers and content creators alike. With its 4K video capabilities, advanced stabilization, and rugged design, it's designed to capture your adventures in breathtaking detail. Keep in mind the battery life and accessory costs as you consider adding this camera to your gear arsenal. If you found this review insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more in-depth reviews and exciting tech content. Let me know in the comments below if you've used a GoPro before, or if the HERO11 has piqued your interest. Until our next adventure, keep embracing the world of innovation and capturing life's most exhilarating moments.